Good day, viewers. Every one of us dream of becoming rich someday, to provide our needs and wants, and to reach our dream and goals in life. Just like this man, Manny Villar. He is in the top 232 richest person in the world with a current of 478 billion pesos. Manny Bamba Villar Jr. He is born on December 13, 1949 at Marion Street, Tondo, Manila. He is the second son of Corita Bamba and Manuel Montalban Villar Sr. Manny Villar used to sell seafoods just to provide for his studies, and with his hard work and determination, he graduated elementary and high school. He continued selling seafoods and then he graduated college at the University of the Philippines, Diliman in 1970 with a Bachelor of Science Business Administration and Accountancy. After he graduated college, Manny Villar applied to the company SGV and Co. for a short span of time and go back to the business on selling seafoods. After that, Manny Villar applies again to another company and become a financial analyst just for a short span of time and decided to build his new own business, which is the building homes. With his determination and hard work, Manny Villar's business become a successful and become the owner of the Vista Land Lifescape Corporation and also the Star Mall, the Golden Bria Holding Inc., and many others. On 1992, Manny Villar entered the world of politics, and with the support of the people, Manny Villar became a senator. Due to his good deed as a senator, Manny Villar keeps his position, remains as a senator, and become one of the richest person in the world. So with his determination and hard work and selling seafoods in the market just to provide for his study, Manny Villar become one of the richest person in the world. Just like Manny Villar, he proves that everything in this world can conquer with determination and hard work and a strong will in life. That's why he get and became one of the richest person in the world. So you, what are you waiting for? Start your business now. Thanks for watching and mabuhay. Bye-bye.